Welcome to our podcast, where we cover unique and interesting stories. In this episode, we will discuss when the universe will end. The universe is dictated by the principle of fatality. The moment something comes into existence is the same moment it starts inching closer to death. Just like the creatures and objects it harbors, the universe too has an expiry date. Humans die. Animals, stars die too. A group of scientists claim to know when the universe will perish, and it is not sometime soon. The research was published in the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society and claims that the universe will collapse sometime in the next few trillion years. As opposed to mainstream depictions of the apocalypse, it will not be a one-off event. No giant asteroids will come swooping in and decimate all life in the universe. Instead, stars will explode and fizzle out over time. One after the another, stars will very, very slowly fizzle out. The death of the universe is different from how we perceive it. It will not be the end of all matter. Instead, this heat death will cause black holes to form and dead stars to linger in space. It will be a bit of a sad, lonely, cold place, Matt Kaplan, the study's lead author, said in a statement. When stars die out, they produce a supernova, after which they become white dwarfs. This new research posits that there will be another stage after this, whereby stars would become black dwarfs, will get denser, and host iron in their cores. White dwarfs will cool over the next few trillion years, and then become black dwarfs, after which they will no longer shine. This grim picture of a cold, desolate space might come true, but in a few trillion years. Kaplan said that it will the first explosion at least 10 to the power of 1100 years to happen. Once iron accumulates, it will trigger the collapse of stars, which will set off explosions across the universe. However, only 1% of the black dwarfs will end up exploding. These will be the ones that grow bigger than 1.2 to 1.4 times the mass of Sun. The rest 99% will remain black dwarfs. It's not a rosy picture, for they will linger in the universe as dead bodies, quite literally. Kaplan has said, it's hard to imagine anything coming after that. Black dwarf supernova might be the last interesting thing to happen in the universe. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay connected for more exciting discussions and updates in our next podcast.